I asked myself, Sunday today, week started 2 days back, and today he's asking me what's the plan. And I don't even have a plan. So it's not about him. It's about me. Correct? And then I started making weekly plans. And weekly, only and only weekly plan. And not very ambitious plans. Some plan at least. Some tangible parameter. True? And then I started running behind it. When I started running behind it, I don't care how much money I earn. I don't care whether, but at least there was a sense of achievement that I decided this and I completed this actually, right? True? And that sense of achievement was energy for the next week. You getting? And then one day what happened, I still remember, I was coming from Pune to Bombay. Sharfun was active by that time. She was newly active some time back. And there were a lot of pipelines. Friday. And I still remember I'm crossing Lonavala, and I spoke to her. She said, yeah, these many closings are there. I think this closing there on her cash out. Okay? I said, good. So she was talking to everyone, Rasika, Jignesh and everyone, and this is right. And then, by the time I crossed Vashi toll naka, I called her, okay. So how many already logged in? She said, no, actually what happened, that guy who was supposed to come and sign up, he is in the meeting today, so he will sign up tomorrow, okay, on Saturday. And that guy, he is having a billing cycle after 2 days, so he said, I'll use my card after my billing cycle. And that guy is not taking the call. So maybe stuck somewhere or whatever, right? But 2 sign-ups sure, next 2 days. And she's happy. 2 sign-ups sure, in next 2 days. She's happy, very happy. And I realized it's 5 p.m. and closing happened at 9:30, right? Correct? And then phone down, I'm still driving. And I said, I understood that in the head, week is already over. Week is already over. And we came back from LDC some time back. Both of us, 4 of us. And then I don't know what happened, I immediately called her. I said, listen, how was LDC? She said, amazing. I said, amazing, na? Now LDC part 2 is happening. LDC part 2 is happening. Would you like to go? She said, definitely, it was life-changing. I learned so much, this, that, right? I said, no, but there's a criteria. She said, what? I said, the criteria is, you have to make 1 check. At least 1 check. She said, I told you yesterday tomorrow I have 1 sign up, and on Saturday I have 1 sign up. Saturday and Sunday. I just told you. I said, no, this week. She said, this week? But that's not fair. It's 5 p.m. already. I said, yeah, 9:30 is the closing, right? So she said, not fair. I said, yeah, not fair. So I should tell them, next time, not this time. She said, no, keep the phone down, don't tell anything. Keep the phone down, okay? I'll do something, right? And this thing I did with 4 different people after that. 4 different people, all 4 who came for LDC. Correct? And the guy next to me, he was sitting. He's also getting excited. He was coming back from Pune to Bombay with me. And he said, boss, I will also get to go to LDC 2, part 2. He never attended LDC part 1 also, right? Okay. I said, okay. Because I'm talking on the phone, I said this. Huh? And then in the evening, we all met in Bandra. Out of 5 people who I told this, 4 ended up earning a check actually, right? On that week. No, listen. And then I said, okay, come. There's no LDC part 2. Then what? I said, tell me how this happened. 5 p.m. week was already closed for you, right? How this happened? And they said, no, because we wanted to go to LDC part 2, right? I said, my point was that only. Because you decided to do it. That's why it happened. And before you already gave up in the beginning itself, right? No. So there was a reason behind it, right? Now, if you don't have a reason, why will you push yourself till last minute, right? week was already closed at 5 p.m. You know, actually out of 5, 4 people ended up making a check. The whole idea was I wanted them to make check, right? And second, 5th guy ended up picking up the check amount for a sign up after 9:30. After 9:30. Which means after closing. But believe me, if that day, if you would have not picked up that check after 9:30, that closing would have gone. And this guy was telling him from last 2-3 weeks, tomorrow. He just went and sat down. I said, look, now. We are doing sign up now, right? He took the charge, right? You know. So we always used to tell, you know, Friday hota tha na, Friday evening, bhoot ban jate the hum log. Sharful, you remember Friday bhoot? Friday bhoot. Bhoot ban jate the. Literally bhoot. Friday है ना, जो सामने आएगा उसको क्लोजिंग होगी आज. जो सामने आएगा. Anybody coming in front, we will close him. So if person is coming, God's plan. God is sending. So this is inside na, atma aa jati thi, atma. Believe me. And we used to, at her house, she is talking from the kitchen, Kavita is talking from the bedroom, I'm talking from the living room, right? Somehow closing. You know? And if all the pipeline is not getting closed, but our target was to make at least one check, कि इधर से तो hot zone लाएंगे. But कुछ तो करेंगे. With that means it is going to finish. Life is going to finish if that is not going to happen. Not like next week तो पक्का हो गया है. Not like that, right? You know, believe me, some people used to come. Before coming, we used to say, get the placement ID, this, that. I said, आने तो दो उसको. I think she will not sign up today. I said, today is Friday. उसका बाप भी आज ही sign up करेगा, right? You know. And anybody on Friday, anybody calling us after 8 o'clock, 8:30 and asking about, भाई वो इनवॉइस कैसे एक्टिवेट करते हैं. मतलब कितना बजा अभी, क्या है आज फ्राइडे, रख फोन, रख साले, रख, क्लोजिंग करने थे, राइट? बिकॉज nobody used to call. And if anybody calling for stupid things on Friday between 8 and 9:30, long discussion, अबे तेरे पास काम नहीं, मेरे पास बहुत है. You know? And भूत, Friday, भूत बन जाओ. You know? वो भूत तभी बनोगे जब गोल रहेगा. Every week का गोल रहेगा. You know? Do you have a weekly goal? If not, then nobody can make you bhoot. You know? And it's a different law of attraction. I still remember one girl came in, I think who sent? Somebody sent a prospect at Shafun's house. And she said, she's coming. I said, okay, Friday, closing. Not yet qualified, but in the mind, closing today, Friday. No? God is sending her on Friday because she, okay. And then we are sitting. We did the plan. 6:30 p.m. plan finish, right? She's ready to sign up, right? You remember? Priya Nair, right? Okay. So she was ready to sign up, right? And then she said, but I'm not carrying my credit card. And she used to stay in South Bombay. And we were in Ghatkopar at her place. So he said, okay, today is Friday. You go quickly home, call us and give us the credit card details, right? And believe me, I don't know. उसको क्या फर्क पड़ता फ्राइडे है? बट वो भाग के गई, वहां से फोन किया, इसके 9:30 के पहले साइन अप किया, एंड देन शी इज टेलिंग डन ना बिफोर फ्राइडे. You know, my boss, my ex-boss signed up. So thoda skeptic, bada aadmi, you know. He was a MasterCard head and all that, right? Okay. So he signed up. He registered himself and he said, I will make purchase aram se in the night. He was buying a 13-header platinum package, right? And then one Friday, he couldn't finish. Why? He came late and this and that. He said, bro, sorry, I will do it tomorrow, this, that. I said, okay. This week is also gone. And then every Friday he is calling me and apologizing. I know I should have done before Friday, right? अच्छा उसको कुछ नहीं पता फ्राइडे का फंडा. But because we were Friday closing, week will change. उसको क्या फर्क पड़ता week change होगा तो? But because you are so excited about Friday closing, there is a sense of urgency which come in the prospect also actually, right? To sign up. Understand, right? That's how it used to happen. So we used to tell bhoot ban jao, bhoot, Friday bhoot. Friday ka bhoot. But that bhoot will only come when you have a bhoot for a goal actually, right? Do you have a goal? You have a goal? Kya goal? Actually, the problem is the goal only, right? Ek baat batao. Tell me one thing. If I tell you, there is a company has launched a promo. Okay? Company has launched a promo. In this week, today is what? Sunday or Monday. In this week, if you do 2 DRs, for next 3 months, you will be paid as diamond. Promo. Good or bad? You will be diamond. 2 DR karo, Friday ke pehle. You will be diamond, right? And you will get diamond bonus also. Diamond bonus will be $5,000 one time. Okay? How many people will do 2 DRs? Huh? Correct? Now how? But there's a goal, na? There's a goal. But if you keep doing this 2 DR, suppose this promo continued. Every week you do 2 DRs, you will be diamond. How many people will do every week 2 DRs? Okay, whether you are able to do it or not. But do you think something will change here? Your efforts will be different. Your madness will be different. Correct? Happens or not? So every week we have to live on week. Har hafta. You know? So all these things from last 4 days, whatever you learned, right? It is of no use if you don't translate into this, right? Forget about everything. Forget about coming on stage. Forget about max out. Forget about recognition. Everything, man. But imagine, God is giving you opportunity. तेरे को जो चाहिए हाथ डाल और निकाल ले. But तेरे को मालूम तो होना चाहिए कितना निकालना है उसमें से. Correct? Imagine God is coming, Lakshmi is coming, and there's a wealth vase. She's giving you the wealth vase. Correct? You put the hand and you take out whatever you want. Every week. Only effort is putting the hand and taking it out, right? But you need to know why. Kyun chahiye? Correct? No? Now I'll give another example. Max out, diamond chodo. How many parents here? Okay? So, you have a daughter or son? Huh? Daughter. Okay? Daughter, right?
I have a daughter.
Okay. How many DRs you done?
Sorry?
Huh?
Sorry.
How many DRs have you done?
None.
None, right? Your daughter is kidnapped. Your daughter is kidnapped. You will only see her if you do 5 DRs in next 4 weeks.
I will run like anything.
Before?
I have no goal. My daughter hasn't been kidnapped, so.
Are you getting me? The sense of urgency, right?
Yes, sense of urgency.
ऐसा तो नहीं कि पहले आपने काम नहीं किया. कोशिश तो किया होगा ना?
Yes.
But अभी की कोशिश में और पहले की कोशिश में अंतर रहेगा?
Yes.
Because there's a purpose, right?
Yes.
You know, there's a short-term goal, right? You have to save your daughter. True? Correct? Suppose tomorrow somebody falls sick in your family. Correct? And for that, you need 50,000 rupees suddenly, right? 50,000 rupees in 2 weeks' time. and all doors are closed. But here you do 2 sign-ups, you get 50,000, right? Correct?
Yes.
You do 2 sign-ups of 700, you get 50,000. More than that actually, right? $1,000 almost. You know? How your effort will be?
Different.
Different, right? So goal every week. If you don't have every weekly goal, you अपने आप को भूतिया बना रहे हो, पता है? You know, every week we need to have a goal. You know, and then 1 week finish, you have no luxury to celebrate or to cry and crib for more than half an hour. After that, again, ready for the next race, ready for the next 100-meter dash. And 208 weeks, you go like this, out of which 100 races or 200 or 150, whatever number of races you win actually, right? That will give you money. But the races which you lose, that will give you character actually, right? So it's not only important to win those races, right? It's also important to lose and learn from it and then win. So both, whether you lose or win, it will give you something. External, internal. But the point is, are you running a 100-meter dash? Or you want to go for a marathon? You know? Correct? So 208 weeks. And believe me, when I realized this, when my upline used to ask me, he never explained me the way I'm explaining for 2 hours. He just used to ask me, what's the plan? Usko kya fark padta hai ya nahi hai? But I introspected, I said, I don't have a plan for a week. I'm not living for a week, right? And then after that, itna maza aane laga na, weekly. And bhoot banne mein bahut maza aata humko. You know? And then we went mad. Weekly, right? So we need to, if you don't have a goal for a week, it's like running with a football with no goal post. It's okay to miss, but correct your effort. Achieve next time. Correct your effort. Achieve next time. But sometimes people have a goal also, right? Actually, it is not a goal. It's just खुद को बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं. कुछ तो भी लिख देते हैं. My goal is to have this. My goal is to have this. My copy paste हर हफ्ता, right? So it's not to achieve. It's only to give the goal, right? So this goal is not to give it to anybody. This goal is so that you can see yourself in the mirror every day, right? You know? It can be any goal, right? I kept a goal in the beginning to collect 3 names. 3 names in the name list every day. And without that, I will not eat. I will not take my dinner, right? Correct? That was a goal for me. So it can be anything. And then you consistently keep small goals. Consistently, it will change your character, right? It will change your character. Every week, right? And you see, your excitement will be more than a person who's maxing out without a goal actually, right? Because maxing out is not 180 left, 180 right. Maxing out is when you promise your daughter and you give that toy, maybe for $100. That is a max out moment actually, right? Max out moment is when you take your parents to a 5-star dinner and they never entered there before, right? It takes only 2 checks to take them there, right? You decide, you run for it, you achieve it, and when you see them behaving like a kid in the 5-star, right? That is a max out moment actually, right? Max out moment is not when you buy a Mercedes or BMW, right? Max out moment is when you buy a 2-wheeler for your father who walks actually to buy a sabzi, right? That is a max out moment. And for that you need 2 checks, only 2 checks. Max out moment is not when you buy a big car with a jing bang. Max out moment can be a second-hand car, Maruti. It can be Maruti's smallest car. Your family never had a car, but still you spend 4 checks or 5 checks, you spend 70,000-80,000 rupees only and you got that car. That is a max out moment. Not buying Ferrari is a max out moment actually, right? And you can have max out moment every week for yourself. If you live week on this business, right? You know? And then when you have a weekly target, you know that this week, life is finishing actually, right? Life is finishing. You will do everything. You will not think about next week before that, right? Last minute, you will push yourself. And every little extra push will cut short your 6-year journey into 4-year actually, right? You know? And then you will not know any other way but to live this way. Pushing yourself, right? Decide something, go for it. Decide something, go for it, right? And in every aspect of life then, right? Every aspect. Whether it is money, business, fitness, everything actually, right? Because that sense of achievement. You are excited inside. I am excited every day. You know why? Not because of the money which I earn. I'm excited because I still have a goal. I'm excited because I still have small goals actually, right? You know? And why, do you know why I start new markets every 2-3 years? And start from zero there? You know why? Because my goal, that accomplishment, is from that small market, right? Because my effort only there. I plan there, right? Big teams, you know, doesn't matter. Because it's not my goal. It's not my effort, right? So small goal, Vietnam team, 20 UVs, yeah, I decided 20, I did 20. Otherwise, 20,000 happening somewhere else, right? But it does not give kick. But 20, oh, wow, 25 next week. 50, 100, you know, that's what exactly. So, you know, you as an upline or downline as a human being, you need to have always high energy, right? And what gives you energy? What gives you energy? Weekly checks. Weekly checks. But why weekly checks will not give energy? What you will do with that weekly check, the thought will give you energy actually, right? You know? So I was talking to all the core in service behind, right? About my house, about my plan, I want $1 million, this. I am not talking to them. I am talking to myself actually. Every time I talk to anybody, I am talking to myself because it gives me kick. It gives me kick, right? You know, yesterday I was talking to Sharfun. I said, na, 60 साल का होऊंगा ना जब मैं, लंबे बाल रखूंगा, सफेद सारे, दाढ़ी भी सफेद होगी, but 6 packs बनाऊंगा यहाँ पे मैं. You know, actually I'm not talking to her. I am talking to myself. I am getting kick in life to achieve something. Because I love to push myself and achieve, right? And believe me, if you learn to do that, if you actually start doing that, believe me, it's an addiction. It's an addiction, right? It's a good addiction. You know? Kick. Kick movie dekhi na? Kick. Kick is not in earning big. Kick is in deciding and earning. Big or small doesn't matter actually, right? You know? It's like Nawab Pataudi 6. बोल के मारता था ना, आज वो घड़ी तोड़ूंगा. Many people don't know actually, right? You know, Saif Ali Khan उसी वजह से पैदा हुआ. Alright? He used to tell Sharmila Tagore, today I will break that. So he will hit the ball with a bat and he will break the watch on the stadium. Bol ke. So that's the fun, right? Bol ke. Now, suppose I made a 6 packs and this and that, but koi, wo to khatam ho gaya na excitement. Excitement is not after achievement. Excitement is in the process actually, right? You know, when you are announcing, so many people get inspired, right? True? So many people. And I don't care about them. I get kick again and again, right? Simple. And I decide any new thing, मैं पकड़ पकड़ के बताता हूं, सुन सुन सुन, बैठ बैठ बैठ, अभी तेरे को ये बताता हूं, राइट? इज पकड़ पकड़ के, राइट? व्हाई? नॉट बिकॉज सम पीपल मे फील, ओ आर यू बोस्टिंग? चक्की, तेरे को जो सोचना सोच ले, तेरे को सोचना मैं बोस्ट कर रहा हूं तो वो भी सोच ले, राइट? मैं मेरे लिए कर रहा हूं. आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट इट सो मच दैट एक बार तो तथास्तु होगा ना ऊपर से, इतनी बार बात करूंगा उसके बारे में. सो थ्री ways to communicate with the universe: words, actions, and thoughts, right? Correct? When you make the plan for the week, that thought goes to the universe. When you start taking action for that week, again the same message goes to the universe, right? When you keep talking about that, again the same message goes. All three should be in line. If you plan something, but you don't do that kind of effort, it's not matching, right? All three, and you see alignment of these three things, and you give tathastu, tathastu, tathastu. And फिर after some time, छप्पर फाड़ के. Correct? So, every day we have to work for what? Weekly goal, right? Every day we have to work for weekly goal. And if you don't have a weekly goal, concrete, tangible, smart, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time bound, that means time pass कर रहे हो यहाँ पे, बताएं? And it does not matter what happened in last week. Do you have a plan for this week? On Friday after 9:30, before 12 o'clock. Correct? I still remember, both of us used to go work, come back on Friday. We will have one glass of mango juice. Apple juice actually, right? Correct? Huh? One glass of apple juice. Sitting, I still remember that table, the low table, sitting on the floor, eating, and after that, chalo, next week goal, next week target, right? What exactly we are going to do. Okay? So where, and I don't know, these days nobody lives like that, right? You know why exactly we had to do that? हमको survive करना था. मर जाते थे नहीं तो, right? We were survivors. We were not dreamers. Believe me. वो ड्रीमर क्या होता वो पता भी नहीं था एक्चुअली में. सर्वाइवर्स थे, राइट? और एक्चुअली इफ यू सी ऑल द पीपल हु आर कॉल्ड ड्रीमर्स, दे ऑल वर सर्वाइवर्स ओनली, राइट? दे डिड इट टू सर्वाइव. ओके? एंड दे लर्नड. लाइक टुडे इफ आई ड्रीम समथिंग बिग, it is not the dream, it is again survival. My way of survival is different now. You know, I want to survive in the big house, in a better car, right? Otherwise I'll not survive. You know? So weekly, every week, okay? And if you don't have a weekly target, on Friday night, that means you're not serious about it. मतलब मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, आप अपने आप को बेवकूफ बनाना बंद कर दोगे एटलीस्ट, राइट? फ्राइडे हो गया है, अगर आपके पास प्लान ही नहीं है तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. ट्रू? एंड इट इज नॉट टू बी गिवन टू द अपलाइन. अपलाइन के साथ डिस्कस करना, योर विश, बट it is for yourself. Can you follow your own words? Because you made a plan. Can you push yourself for your own plan? Because when you push yourself for your own plan and you achieve it, you will be confident, more confident actually, right? Because you feel like my business is in my control and it's not in Bhagwan Bharose, right? Are you getting me? So, weekly. Weekly goal. Checks weekly, and you have a goal weekly. ये काम करूंगा, इतना पैसा आएगा तो. So many checks required. For that I have to do these many plans, these many DRs, there's a backup plan and everything, then the action, right? You know, reverse planning. Okay? So weekly focus, weekly goal, and imagine, don't think about max out. Every week, if you can earn $2,000, believe me, your life will be changed. $2,000 every week. Is it big income or not? It's so big that you can be complacent. It's so big that you can be complacent. Which is more than 1 lakh a week. ट्रू? बट करना क्या है उसका? आज लिस्ट बनाना शुरू करोगे ना, I can guarantee you, you cannot prepare a list of more than 20 weeks. 20 weeks. If you get 1 lakh rupee every week, how will you spend? And if you don't spend, next week it will not come. जी ले सिमरन अपनी जिंदगी 20 हफ्तों के लिए, right? Okay? Done? So live on weekly basis, otherwise it's of no use. And survive, become a survivor actually, right? Okay, dreams will fulfill automatically and have max out moment every week. Okay? Thank you so much and I love you guys.